Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our Skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful. First, we'll understand our question. The program has to accept the integer n as the input. Then we have to generate a sequence based on the condition. The first term of the sequence is always n, and the current term is calculated as the previous term divided by 2 if previous term is uneven, and else it is calculated as the previous term into 3 plus 1, and the sequence always end with 1, and at last we'll print the sequence. Now we'll take our first test case. So here we have n to be 13. So we'll have the first term of the sequence as the n. So now the previous term variable will be equal to 13 because 13 is the previous term for 40, right? So we'll have the previous term is equal to 13, and if the previous term is even, we have to calculate the current term is equal to the previous term divided by 2, else we have to calculate the current term is equal to the previous term multiplied by 3 plus 1. So here, after dividing by 2, the previous term will be equal to the previous term /2, and here the previous term will be equal to the previous term into 3 plus 1. So now first we'll have the previous term to be 13, right? So previous term is equal to 13, and now it is an odd number, that is, it is not even. So for that, the current term should be equal to the previous term multiplied by 3 plus 1. So that is equal to 40, and now the previous terms becomes 40, and 40 is an even number. So for an even number, we have to divide the previous term by 2, so it becomes 20, and now the previous term becomes 20. 20 is an even number, so it will be divided by 2, and 20 divided by 2, and it is 10, and again 10 is an even number, so previous term will be 10. Since it is even number, will be divided it by 2, and after that we'll have 5. Now 5 is an odd number, so we have to calculate the current term as 5 into 3 plus 1, that is 16, and now the previous term will be 16, and 16 is an even number, so current term will be calculated as 16 divided by 2, and it will be changed to 8. And now 8 is an even, so previous term becomes 8 and current term will be 8 divided by 2, it becomes 4, and again we'll have to divide 4 by 2 and it becomes 2. Again 2 is an even, so 2 will be divided by 2 and it becomes 1. Now the previous term becomes 1 and this will be our output. Let us implement our program. First we'll get the integer n as the input. Then we'll have an empty list called the required sequence. Now we'll append this required sequence with the integer n, and now we'll have a while loop, that is while n not equal to 1 means we'll have our condition, that is if n is even, that is n modulo 2 equal to 0 means the required sequence will be appended with n /2, and the n will change to n /2, else the required sequence will be appended with n into 3 plus 1, and n will be equal to n into 3 plus 1, and at last we'll print the required sequence. Also we'll have an asterisk here. Now we'll execute our program. We'll pass our first test case, that is 13. So we have got the correct output, as you can see. And now we'll pass our second test case, that is 10. So here also we have got the correct output. And now we'll pass our third test case. So here also we have got the correct output.
Our program has passed all our given test cases successfully. Hope you guys understand. Thanks for watching. See you next video.